Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today video is a cozy mix of being productive, studying and cooking something delicious in between. So grab your chai and coffee and let's spend a peaceful productive day together. So I like starting my day by making my space look clean. So yeah, I starting my first session with full focus. I like keeping my phone away and setting a 50-minute timer. After studying for a while, I take a break for cooking something simple. Today I am making noodles, and cooking is honestly like therapy for me, and it's relaxing and make me feel refreshed. So yeah, I like keeping it minimal and quick, perfect for students who don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. Balancing studying and self-care is important. Small breaks like this keep me motivated for the rest of the day. After eating, I divide into my second season. This time I focus on revision or notes. I also love listening to clean music while studying. It helps me stay in the zone. And that's how my productive study cooking look like. It's all about balance, studying hard and also take time for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Kojic productive vlogs. Thank you so much.